How to uninstall or reinstall QANDA app. First of all, go to your device settings and scroll down until you find the Apps or Application Manager option. Open it and look for QANDA from the list of installed apps. Then tap on it to open the app details page. Now tap on Uninstall and confirm your action to completely remove the QANDA app from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, restart your device to clear temporary files and ensure a clean reinstallation process. After restarting, open the Play Store and search for QANDA in the search bar. Make sure you select the official app before tapping on the install button. Wait for the installation to complete and then tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, log in using your previous account details so you can continue using your saved features and preferences. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall QANDA app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.